So I'm going to write Va, Ha, and Ra. Try to pause and do it yourself. That's a challenge. Va, I already told you which one is the first one. Va. If you practice how to write Ha, Ha is like this, like a dal, circle underneath a line. Then you do that way. You see that? Stay on the line. And Ra. Ra, remember from the first lesson. Va. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين. This is Mualim Muhammad again with Learn with Mualim program. This is the fourth session. The third session was we learned how to write the final 13 letters. I'm going to use the final 14 letters, and then I'm gonna make them like words in order for you to learn it and memorize it. The reason this is very important because many people down the line, when they start joining the letters, they discover that they can't remember what this letter was, or what this letter was, or what this letter was, because they didn't pay attention. So this is very important if you are a teacher or a father who's teaching a child, or if you are an adult who's learning Arabic yourself. So you need to pay attention to it, and this will help you very well. Number one, I'll emphasize in how to pronounce certain letters, and I'll rewrite them again. If you want to visit the writing of the shapes, please go to lesson 1 and 2 and 3, and then that will remind you of how to write them from which side to which side. I've put arrows in lesson 3 here, as you see. However, now for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to use the beginning of the words that I'm going to write. I'm going to use these letters, and then what I'm going to do, I'll write the letter, and I'll say the letter, and I'll pause. You could pause the computer and you try to write it yourself. Test yourself by trying to copy it yourself before I do it. Use a pencil if you want, and then follow me up. It's better that you have an exercise book like A4. If you don't have it, any exercise book or paper will be helpful. You always use it from the right to left. In Arabic, you don't write from left to right. It's always right to left. And please follow me with this lesson, inshallah, and I hope you enjoy it. It should take 15 minutes maximum. Okay, the first letter I'm going to write is Ta, as I said, from here, Ta, and I need you just to see how I'm writing them. The word I'm going to write, if you could write it before me, it would be fantastic, is going to be Ta, Lam, Ain. Ta, Lam, Ain. So this is how you write Ta. Lam, Ain. Then on your notebook, please put lines here and here, leave a gap, and in the middle here you write the second word. Give a space because we need 3 words. The second one is going to begin with Vad, then after that Ain. So I'm going to write Va, Ha, and Ra. Try to pause and do it yourself. That's a challenge. Va, I already told you which one is the first one. Va. If you practice how to write Ha, Ha is like this, like a dal, circle underneath a line. Then you do that way. You see that? Stay on the line. And Ra. Ra, remember from the first lesson. Dha, Ha, Ra. The next one is Ain. 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 That's what we're going to be doing. Ain. Ain. Small C. Then bigger C. If you want to if you speak English, it'll be like helpful. Small C. Then bigger C goes underneath the line. Ain. Sorry, I'm going to write Ain. Lam. Mim. Ain. Lam. Mim. That's your challenge. You could do it before I write it. So I've done that in for you. Ain. Lam. Goes underneath the line. Mim. Lam and Mim is in this lesson. It's on lesson 3. Now, why these 2 lines are important, like what we did in lesson 2, you take now after the lesson, and you try to copy it yourself again. You could do 2 lines, you could do 3 lines, 4 lines. What helps you learn? If you're teaching children, whatever, do it with them, same thing as well. So Ta, Lam, stop on the line. Ain, Ta, Lam, Ain. Yeah, it's squashed because I reached the end of the the place that I write on. So the rest you do it at home by yourself. The next one, this is the only example I'm giving you. The next one you do it as well by yourself. So after Ain is Ghain. If you could, so I'm gonna write Ghain, Sin, and Lam. Let's see if you could remember. You do it yourself. Ghain, Sin, and Lam. Ghain, Sin, stays on the line. See that? It stays there. Ghain, Sin, Lam. Sin is from lesson 1. Yeah? Ghain, Sin, Lam. The next one, Ain, Ghain, is Fa, Qaf, Dal. Try to write it before I do it. That's a challenge. Come on. Fa, Qaf, Dal. If you win any challenge and you do one letter, please mention it in the comment below. Fa, Qaf, Dal. Oh, that's fantastic. So the next one is Qaf, Ha, Ra. Qaf. Beautiful. See that? Go like underneath the line and do it and reach that. Qaf, Ha. We've done Ha there. Ra. Qaf and Ha and Ra. So make the 2 lines for your practice. Okay. Make sure you do the 2 lines for your practice. Or 5 lines or 3 lines or 2 lines, whatever you want. Yeah. After Qaf is what? Kaf. Kaf. Ta. Do you remember the ta? The pot with 2 dots. And Ba. Yes, I hope you've won the challenge. This is easy one. The next one is Lam, Ain, and Ba. That's your challenge. Can you do it? Pause and then do it. Lam, Ain, Ba. Very good. Well done if you done it. Qaf, kaf, lam. Mim, noon. Yeah? Mim. What should I say for mim? Mim, kaf, and tha. It's easy. Mim, kaf, tha. If you've done it, it would be fantastic. Mim, kaf, and tha. Yeah? Qaf, kaf, lam, mim. So we're going to do the practice lines first. Then we do the next one. Qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon now. Noon is... what should I use? Noon, sin, and ya. Let's see. Noon, sin, and ya. Good. I hope you've done it. Well done. If you've done it correctly, well done. Noon, sin, ya. Qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon. Ha now. I'm going to write ha and dad and mim. Ha. Like a dal. See that? Stay on the line. Dad. You come from underneath the line. You drop on the line. You cross. You go this way. Then you do the dot and mim. That's a ha and that's a mim. That's the mim there for you. Qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, ha, wow. Wow. Now. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Ain and dal. Wow. Ain and dal. Well done if you've done it. Yeah? Twice for the practice. The last letter is ya. Well done if you reach here. Ya, we're going to say ya. I'm going to write ya, isa. Sorry. For ya, I'm going to write for ya, I'm going to write ya, alif and sin. Ya, alif and sin. You have to do your 2 lines, or maybe 3, 4 lines. So this is the practice. We've done it within 12 minutes or less. So please practice it yourself. Continue. And if you made any one correct, any one of these words correctly, please comment below. Tell me what you think. It's important that you learn these letters. If you want to progress with me, inshallah, in the next session, please follow these letters and follow these steps. So next session is going to be like more of this, and then later on we're going to be doing a lot of we're going to be developing the how to join the letters and things like that. But you cannot join the letters if you don't know how the letter looks like in the first place. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Jazakumullah khair. The previous lessons on the description below. Please you comment and do share it and let me know what you think. Any suggestion, I will be absolutely grateful. Thank you very much and Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.